Hey everybody, I got some exciting news. I want to give a big shout out to Jess the Singing Gardener and to NaTiddy for giving away a free chainsaw, and I happen to won one. So I want to welcome you, and we're going to get a look at this thing firsthand. Here it is. I am so excited. I love to garden. I have some crepe myrtle trees that need to be trimmed because they broke so bad when they bloomed last year, and I'm going to trim them up with these and maybe take you along with me and show you how it works. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it's all about. Now, I watched Jess use hers out there when she was reviewing it, and it looked and worked super well with her, and I am so excited to have won one. Actually, she earned enough money to give away two, and then NaTiddy decided to match her and give away two more, and I was the last person drawed. Me and Hattie Mae. We got a user manual. That'll come in handy. Some nice gloves. An extra chain. A Phillips head screwdriver. An oil bottle, some safety glasses. Not sure how that's going to work over the glasses that I already wear. A charger, and two, not one, but two 21-volt batteries, lithium ion batteries. And ta-da! A pink NaTiddy chainsaw. I am so excited, y'all. I cannot wait to use this. Let's see if we got any battery juice in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. I'm going to be dangerous now. Thank you, NaTiddy. Thank you, Jess the Singing Gardener. I can't wait to use this. It's raining outside, or I'd go out there and use it right now. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching me and Hattie Mae. And we've got a lot done on our porch for the she shed. And I will be uploading that video pretty soon. Stay tuned for that. Until then, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.